Are you ready to connect with friends or teammates through a group phone call on Discord? With the latest updates, it's easier than ever. Let's dive into how you can start a group phone call on your PC in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you open the Discord app on your computer. If you haven't updated it yet, this is a great time to do so, to take advantage of all the new features that will enhance your calling experience. Once you're in, navigate to your server or friends list. Look for the group that you want to call. This could be a specific server where your friends hang out, or it could be a direct message channel with a group of friends. After you find the group, it's time to get that call started. At the top of the page, you'll see a phone icon. This is your gateway to a group conversation. Simply click on the phone icon, and voila! Your call will be initiated, and everyone in the group will receive a notification to join. And there you have it. With just these 3 straightforward steps, you can easily start a group phone call on Discord using your PC. Whether you're catching up with friends, strategizing in a game, or just chatting, Discord makes it simple to stay connected. So gather your crew and start calling. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating Discord. Happy calling!